This was supposed to be an epic commercial for ATK-YTP 2018. A new city to conquer, an exciting campus, crazy after-parties, familiar faces, top-class seminars, and new contacts. Fortunately, we have all these things. This October, this phenomenal event is held in Turku, Perkele. Some claim we only have warm brandy and a brown river. So you might not believe it yet, but it is going to be legendary. ATK-YTP 2018 in Turku, the real capital of Finland.